yung na-prank si Mami. Pumasok siya ng June 16. Elia, dun ka. Pumasok siya ng June 16, pero 23 pa pala ang pasok. It's a prank.
Stop pranking me!
No, I didn't know, anak. Hindi nagbasa si Mami. Sorry. Ginising-gising pa naman kita ng maaga. Oh, picture kita. Wait lang. Ngiti. Ano, pumunta ka pa ng school? Ha? Wala ka palang pasok? Galit pa si teacher? Ha?
Sa'yo.
Sa akin? Teacher is mad at Mommy?
Yeah, because you're not reading.
I'm not read I'm not reading ng RGC, the announcement. But you're excited, di ba? Oh. Oh, may I see your baon? Your baon is egg, di ba?
Mom, you can read my book is first.
Ha?
You can read this. Mom, don't look at this.
Ha?
You can read this. You can.
Ibalik mo na yan, anak. Sige na, saka na lang gamitin yan pag may ano ka na. Remove your baon na dyan. Remove your baon na.
I'm still packing up. Maybe tomorrow I'm going to school.
Your? No, it's not tomorrow. Oh, Elia. Say hi. Hi kay Daddy. Where are you going? It's very hot there. Come here na. Oh. Punasan mo yung pawis mo. Sobrang pawis ka na, oh.